What's up guys, and welcome to the Coupon Club. If you're new here, thanks for joining us. Now in my last video, I asked you guys if you were interested in seeing how I make multiple Dollar General accounts, and so many of you guys left feedback asking for a video on that. So that is exactly what we're going to be doing here today. I'm going to be walking you through step by step on how to create a brand new Dollar General account. And this is really useful because with Dollar General's 5 off 25 breakdown, there are so many times where I may put a breakdown together and then I go into my Dollar General account to start clipping my coupons, and I'll notice that I'm missing some of the coupons I need. So in those cases, I'll generally just go into one of my other Dollar General accounts, and usually they have the right coupons. And of course, the best reason for having multiple Dollar General accounts is that you can take advantage of all the freebie deals more than once. So for example, right now we have that $1 off of one Gain fabric softener or Gain dryer sheet coupon, and you can use this to get a freebie on the Gain dryer sheet 15 count or the Gain fabric softener, which can be found in the dollar aisle. And at Dollar General, once you use your digital coupon on one of your Dollar General accounts, it is gone until it resets to your account. So once you use that coupon, you cannot use it again. So once you get your freebie, you're done on that account. But if you have more accounts, you can get that freebie more than once. Now it's also really good because if you have a great 5 off of 25 breakdown with some supplies that you really need, you can do it more than once too and just stock up on all your products for really cheap. So really quick, the reason it's hard to make multiple Dollar General accounts is that when you make an account, you need to have a phone number associated with that account, and they use that phone number to send you a verification code. So when you use phone numbers from burner apps, which are apps that you can download on your phone which make you like a fake phone number in addition to the phone number that you have on your real phone number from like AT&T, T-Mobile, Verizon, whatever. But the issue with these is that when you enter these phone numbers into Dollar General and ask them to send you the verification code, it doesn't come through. I don't know how Dollar General knows that it's a fake number, but for whatever reason, it just never works. So that's where things get tricky and it gets a little difficult to make multiple Dollar General accounts. But don't worry guys, I got you here and I'm gonna help you out. But before I help you out, do me a favor and give this video a like down below. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. And if you wouldn't mind, just share this video so others can take advantage of this too. The first and easiest way I have to share with you on how to make multiple Dollar General accounts is to just ask your friends and family to use their phone number. So when you're creating an account and you enter in your friends or family phone number, all that's going to happen is it's going to send them a verification code, and you just need to use that verification code to verify your account and you're good. After that, there's nothing to worry about. They will not receive promotional texts, nothing like that. The second way to create a Dollar General account, I'm surprised more people don't know this, but it's just to use your landline phone number. So if you have a house phone, you can use that as well to create a Dollar General account. Just when you are creating your Dollar General account, you need to do it on the computer. When you're creating your Dollar General account on the computer, when you get to the phone number verification stage, it gives you the option to either send you a text or call me. You don't get this call me option when you're creating an account on the app. So when you are using a landline, just make sure to create your account online. With this call me option, Dollar General is going to call you almost immediately, and some robot's just going to come on and say your verification code is usually like a 5-digit number, and you're just going to enter that right into the Dollar General website and you are set. You will have your new Dollar General account. Now the third and final way to create a Dollar General account, which is probably the way most of you are interested in, is through this app, Talk-A-Tone. So for whatever reason, Dollar General hasn't caught onto this app yet, so do this as soon as you can. I've been creating accounts a while now with this app and I don't think they're going to catch on. I don't know what's going on here, but guys, this is definitely the way to go. So what you need to do is just go into your App Store or your Play Store and download the Talk-A-Tone app, and from there, create your account. When you're creating your account, a phone number will automatically be associated to you, but if you don't like the phone number that's given to you, you're also given the option to change that number. Once you've chosen your number and successfully have your Talk-A-Tone app, now is the time to create your new Dollar General app. And guys, you're going to want to have to do this on the computer. So head on over to dollargeneral.com and start creating your new account. It's going to ask you for information like your name, your phone number, and your email address. Now once you guys are at that phone number verification stage, make sure you have your cell phone handy because you're going to want to use this call me option. And actually guys, I created a brand new Dollar General account using this method today just to make sure it still works, and it does. I'm going to show you right here. So as you can see, I'm entering my brand new phone number, which I just got using the Talk-A-Tone app, and I'm going to hit this call me option. Now almost immediately I got a phone call from Dollar General with my verification code. Check this out.
Thank you for using our phone verification system. Your code is 26851. Once again, your code is 26851. Goodbye.
So yeah, once I got my verification code, I just went ahead and entered that into the Dollar General website and clicked verify. And then I was all set. I just had to accept the acknowledgement statement and I had a brand new Dollar General account. And if one new account through this Talkatone app isn't good enough for you, don't worry guys, you can make more than one account with this app. So to do this, you want to open up the Talkatone app in your phone, and that little dot in the top right corner, you want to click on that to drop down your menu and go into your settings. Once you're in your settings, click Get New Phone Number, and then in the middle of the page, it's going to say Burn Now. Go ahead and click Burn Now, and that's all you need to do. What this is basically doing, it's deleting your old phone number from the Talkatone app, and it's going to generate you a brand new phone number. But don't worry, this isn't going to affect your Dollar General account that you have with that old number that you just burned. You will be fine. You will still be able to use your Dollar General account with that number, and you'll be able to create a new account with this new phone number you have. So this Talkatone app is the way to create Dollar General accounts if you want some new ones. So go crazy guys and create all the accounts you can before Dollar General catches on. And before I go, I'm also planning on making a video for you guys on how you can change your zip code associated with your Dollar General account. The benefit to this is that Dollar General digital coupons, some of them are only available in certain regions of the country. So if you have a phone number associated with your account that has a New York area code, you're only going to get the Dollar General coupons, which are available maybe in the northeast of the country. So if there's a coupon out there that you're looking to use, what you need to do is change the zip code on your account. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that in an upcoming video, so stay tuned. Now, thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch my video. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and give this video a big like down below. Alright guys, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.